This project aims to analyze India's trade over the years. India is one of the fast-growing economies in the world, where trade plays an important role in the country's growth. This data contains India's export and import from the year 2010 to 2018, where the valuations of the trade is in US dollars. These are the top 10 countries India exports to. USA is the biggest destination for Indian products, which accounts to almost 14% of India's total exports, which is closely followed by UAE with 12%, whereas China is India's biggest importing partner, which accounts for a total of 13%. UAE and Saudi Arabia are the next two countries with 6.2% and 6% respectively. This plot will give a brief idea about how each country is trading with over the years. If we see clearly, the USA is the biggest trading partner with India due to the close relationship between the countries, and the USA has the highest number of Indian origins living outside of India. India imports mostly electronic devices and military equipments from the United States, whereas China is the biggest supplier for India. Most of the imports will be spices and electronic devices. India also imports fuel gases from the Arab nations. When it comes to product perspective, India exports mostly natural fuels, mineral oils, and jewelry, which brings for a total of 25% of total exports. When the import graph is analyzed, India imports a huge amount of fossil fuels and the mineral fuels, jewelry, and electronic devices. Over the years, there is a significant increase in India's imports, whereas exports are increasing at a slower pace. There is a belief that developing countries import less and export more. From our analysis, we can see that it is not always true because developing countries rely on their partners to increase their growth and also tries to increase its exports in due process. This is the reference used for the analysis.